it is a game changer for brittle nails. This stuff is so good. It actually dissolves really quickly. I had to get in there and get a scoop. And you just use 2 scoops of it. And this has helped my nails so much. So if you have weak, brittle nails that peel easily, if you use this consistently, it'll help them so much. Like, I mean, these are my natural nails and they're pretty strong right now. Here is the, hopefully you can see that, the information. It gives you some protein and you can just add your creamer or whatever. I find that this dissolves fastest when your coffee is still pretty hot, which I'm sure is how most people are drinking their coffee. So anyway, wanted to share that with you. I'll link it, and I'll also link this coffee because this is amazing. I think this is limited edition, so it probably won't be around forever, but this should be, and it is a game changer for brittle nails.